Most developers think, if I build an app, I'll start making money. But the truth is, most apps make $0. So how do some developers earn thousands while others fail completely? In this video, I'll break down exactly how mobile apps make money and how you can start earning as a developer. And if you want to learn how to build apps that actually make money, not just tutorials, make sure you subscribe. There are actually two ways to earn as a mobile developer. First, earning from your apps. Second, earning using your development skills. Let's start with how apps themselves make money. In-app ads, fastest to start. This is the most beginner-friendly way to earn from your app. You simply show ads inside your app and get paid when users see or interact with them. You can use platforms like Google AdMob or Facebook Audience Network to get started quickly. Type of ads? There are three main types of ads. Banner ads, small ads at the top or bottom, easy to implement but low earnings. Interstitial ads, full screen ads that appear between actions, better revenue but should be used carefully. Rewarded ads, the best performing type. Users choose to watch ads in exchange for something valuable like coins, hints, or extra features. Reality check, very important. Ads are simple, but they don't work without users. You typically need thousands of daily active users to earn meaningful income. Also, if your app is not opened frequently, your earnings will stay very low. Works best for? This model works best for games because users spend more time and can watch rewarded ads. Utility apps like file managers, calculators, or tools used daily. Real example? For example, a simple casual game with rewarded ads can earn more than a complex productivity app because users interact with it more frequently. Ads don't pay for downloads, they pay for attention. 2. In-app purchases. In this model, your app is free to download, but users pay to unlock extra features. This is called the freemium model, and it's one of the most widely used strategies today. What users pay for? Users don't pay for your app, they pay for value. Common examples include unlocking premium features, removing ads, buying virtual items like coins, skins, or lives, access to advanced tools or content. How it works in real apps. For example, a note-taking app can offer basic notes for free, but charge for cloud sync and themes. A photo editing app can provide free filters, but lock advanced editing tools behind a purchase. A game can sell coins or power-ups to enhance gameplay. Users will only pay if they clearly feel the difference between free and premium. If your free version already does everything, no one will upgrade. In-app purchases work best when your app solves a real problem. Users use it repeatedly. There is a clear upgrade moment. People don't pay for apps, they pay for better experiences. 3. Subscriptions, the most powerful model today. This is where serious money is made. Instead of paying once, users pay monthly or yearly, and you earn recurring income. Why it works so well? With subscriptions, each user becomes more valuable over time. Even a small number of paying users can generate consistent monthly income. For example, a learning app can charge monthly for full course access. A fitness app can charge for personalized workout plans. An AI app can charge for unlimited usage or premium features. Subscriptions only work if your app provides ongoing value. If users don't come back regularly, they will cancel. Subscriptions don't just build income, they build stability. 4. Paid apps. Simple but harder today. In this model, users pay before downloading your app. It's the simplest idea, but not the easiest to succeed with today. Why it's difficult? Most users prefer free apps. They want to try before they pay, so convincing them upfront is hard. Paid apps can still work if your app solves a very specific problem. You target a niche audience, or your app has strong reputation or branding. For example, a professional tool or a highly specialized utility app can succeed as a paid app. Paid apps require trust before value. Freemium does the opposite. 5. Affiliate or referral strategy, an underrated strategy.
This model is all about earning commissions. You recommend products or services inside your app and earn when users take action. You integrate links or offers inside your app. When users click, sign up, or purchase, you get a percentage. For example, a travel app earns from hotel or flight bookings. A deals app earns from product purchases. A finance app earns from credit card or loan referrals. This works best when your app helps users make decisions, because users are already looking to take action. If your app drives decisions, it can drive commissions. The best approach is not choosing just one method, it's combining them. Free users generate revenue through ads, and serious users upgrade to premium or subscriptions. This way, you earn from both casual users and power users. Now, here's something important. Even if your app doesn't make money immediately, you can still earn as a developer. Freelancing. You can do freelancing, build apps for clients, and get paid per project on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. This is the fastest way to start earning after learning Flutter or Android. For example, a client may pay you to build a restaurant app, booking system, or e-commerce app. You exchange your time and skill for money. 2. Selling source code. Instead of building apps for one client, you build once and sell many times on platforms like CodeCanyon. For example, you can create a complete e-commerce app template or chat app and sell it to multiple buyers. This creates passive income over time. Number 3, teaching or courses. If you enjoy teaching, you can create courses, build an audience, and earn from thousands of students on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. You record once and thousands of students can enroll. You can also combine this with YouTube to build your personal brand and grow faster. The smartest developers don't rely on just one income source. They use freelancing for quick income and apps, templates, or courses for long-term earnings. And that's how you build real financial freedom as a developer. That wraps up today's video. If you found this value breakdown valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more content on building financially successful apps. Let me know in the comments what your biggest challenge is in earning from apps.